Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class progressions. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? This is the question. Reference is here. Given total number of logs Sn is equal to 200. Number of logs stacked in the first row is equal to 20. Number of logs stacked in the second row is equal to 19. And in the third row is equal to 18. Therefore, 20, 19, 18 and so on are in AP. Here A equal to 20, this is the first term. D is common difference, that is A2 minus A1, that is equal to 19 minus 20, that is equal to minus 1. We have a formula Sn of AP is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. According to the problem, Sn is equal to 200. So since Sn is equal to 200, n by 2 into 2 into A, in place of A we substitute 20 plus n minus 1 into D, in place of D we substitute minus 1, is equal to 200. Now we are writing only n, we are not going to write 2 here. We are going to send this 2 to the right hand side. Now 2 into 20 is 40, minus 1 into n minus n, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 200 into 2. Now n into 41 minus n is equal to 400. 41n minus n into n square, and this 400 comes to the left hand side and becomes minus 400 is equal to 0. Now let us write this in an order. Minus n square plus 41n minus 400 is equal to 0. Multiply by minus on both sides. N square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize and get the values of n. N square into 400 is equal to plus 400n square. Since this is plus, we have to add the factors and the factors should have same signs. Factors for 400, 16 into 25. If you add 16 and 25, we will get 41. Since we need same signs, here we have minus, so both should have minus signs. Now if we check, minus into minus plus, 16 into 25, 400, n into n square, checked, and the second checking is minus 16n minus 25n is equal to minus 41n. We got this. So now we can write minus 16n minus 25n in place of minus 41n. Therefore, n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 is equal to 0. From these two, n is common. N square by n is n, minus 16n by n is minus 16. Here minus and 25 is common. Minus 25n by minus 25 is n, plus 400 by minus 25 is minus 16 is equal to 0. From these two, n minus 16 is common. So n minus 16 into n minus 25 is equal to 0. Either n minus 16 is equal to 0 or n minus 25 is equal to 0. Now n is equal to 16. Minus 16 comes to the right hand side and becomes plus 16, or n is equal to 25. This minus 25 comes to the right hand side and becomes plus 25. Since the first row, that is bottom row, has 20 logs, n is equal to 25 is not possible, so we have to take n is equal to 16. Number of rows n is equal to 16. Therefore, number of logs in the top row, that is the last row, is equal to L, that is last term, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 20 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 1. 20 plus 15 into minus 1. 20 plus into minus minus 15 ones are 15. So this is equal to 5. Therefore, number of logs in the top row is equal to 5. Answer.